Snack and beverage service, please review the menu in your seat back pocket for your selection. Small portable electronic. In the event of a water evacuation, use a light vest located under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Still completely underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin compartment, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking clear. And if needed for oxygen mask, will drop from the compartment located above your seat. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on your mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Remove any face coverings, place the mask over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Secure your mask with the elastic strap. Even though oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not appear to inflate. If you're sitting with someone needing assistance, put your mask on first. Continue wearing your mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. We are here for your comfort, primarily for your safety. Report any unwanted behavior to a flight attendant. We now invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this 3-hour and 16-minute flight with service over to Nashville. I will be dimming the main cabin lights, and any additional lighting is the courtesy lights located above your seat. Welcome on board.
It's on her, not you. That's not
illuminated that you remain in your seat. Once it is safe for us to move about the cabin, we will begin a complimentary in-flight snack and beverage service. Please view the menu in your seat back pocket and have your selection or any form of payment available when your flight attendant stands by. We are pleased to share a travel exclusive offer with you today. You can earn 65,000 Rapid Rewards points after qualifying purchases with a Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card. Offers may vary depending on where you apply. To take advantage of this offer, please visit our in-flight portal or southwest.com/credit card during this flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, Airlines 331,000 feet, initial descent into Nashville. Should be on the ground, we'll call it 21 minutes. I'd like to thank you again for flying Southwest. We truly appreciate your business. Please come back and see us. Welcome to Nashville.
Descent into Nashville. The flight attendants will be coming through one final time to pick up any cups, cans, newspapers, and trash. It's a long flight. Go ahead and double check those seat back pockets. Make sure you guys are handing us all that trash. Please don't leave it behind on the plane for us to clean later. We're happy to take it now. Make sure you raise your seat back and raise your tray table to the full upright and locked position. Those carry-on items go back underneath the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet 100% clear. Larger laptops get stowed away at this time. Double check those seatbelts to make sure they are securely fastened for the duration of this flight. much for flying with us today to Nashville. Airlines would like to welcome you to Nashville. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carry-on items stowed. When the captain throws off the seatbelt sign, be careful opening overhead bins. Items struck during flight could fall out. You can also turn on your cell phones. All other devices should remain off and stowed. While we're here on the ground, aircraft doors will be open for ground servicing. For your safety, ensure that you and anyone you're supervising remains clear of the front and back aircraft doors. This is the termination of this afternoon flight. Please check around your seat in the seat back pocket in front of you and gather all of your belongings. Once you're in the aircraft, you're not permitted to re-enter or retrieve any items. If you are continuing on to another Southwest Airlines flight, please check the monitors inside the terminal for your most up-to-date connecting flight and gate information. We certainly enjoyed sharing part of our afternoon with you. You know you have a choice. Please travel today and choosing Southwest. Go out and make sure you come back and see us again. Have a great weekend. Flight attendants, disarm doors, cross check for arrival. Disarm the cross check for arrival.